Parts of Southeast Louisiana already under mandatory evacuation orders. Xavier Walton in New Orleans tonight with what is happening there. Xavier?
Well, Len, we got here about an hour ago, and as you can see just behind me, buildings already boarded up. But if you look over here, over at the French Quarter, you wouldn't be able to tell on a Friday night that there is a powerful hurricane barreling down on the Louisiana Gulf Coast. But if you head over here to I-10 West, you talked about that steady stream of traffic. Well, we saw it, and then from Baton Rouge to Lafayette, it was stop and go. At one point, we had to stop to get gas ourselves, and we stopped at a station where a woman was going around and saying, they're out of gas. She had money in her hand saying they're out of gas. That's how busy they are, and that's how many cars are on the road on I-10 trying to get out of town. We also spoke to one woman who packed up her Suburban. She's going to leave tomorrow morning right at 4 a.m. She's taking her kids. She has to pick up her mom first, then get out of town at 4 a.m. We talked to another gentleman here who had to go on the dock and tie up his boat. So that's the sort of preparations that are underway right now as we get closer and closer to Ida coming here to New Orleans, Len.
Going to be really something. We're hoping the best for folks. Xavier Walton in New Orleans tonight. He will be in Louisiana during and after this storm. Stay safe out there.